Good morning. Hi, and welcome to our first inaugural insurance podcast. We call this podcast Insurance Briefings with Paul and Chelsea. We're adding podcasting to our insurance agency offerings because we need to see the need to work out to reach not only our clients but also individuals who have concerns about their own insurance in the midst of this current market that we're dealing with. We're going to use our insights to make this current insurance market more understandable for you. This is not our main goal, though. Our main goal is to set up a series of presentations involving all aspects of insurance that can be used as references in the future. The more we discussed how we wanted this podcast series to evolve, the more we decided there's so many topics that can be discussed that don't really get talked about until the circumstances warrant it because something has occurred. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I started in the business back in 1978 as a captive writer with a company called Farmland Mutual. That company is now part of the Nationwide Group, which everybody's seen to be heard of. In August of 1980, I started Lorber Insurance Agency as an independent agent from scratch. The business has been located in 3 different locations, with our last move in 1990 to our present location here in New London. I have 46 years of experience, and trust me, I still see events and I have situations occur that I have never experienced before. Every day can be a whole new episode. Hopefully, I can share some of my insights into situations that will give you information that at some point you can use to help yourself navigate the insurance world. The biggest concern that everybody has right now because of what's going on in the insurance market, and it's the question we get every day, is I haven't had a claim, so why did my insurance premium increase? These are the kind of questions that as our podcasts evolve, we're going to answer for you. At this point in time, I want to turn it over to Chelsea so she can introduce herself and talk a little bit more about what we're going to do. Go ahead, Chelsea, take it away.
Hey listeners, my name is Chelsea Volker. I am new to the insurance industry. Though my time in the insurance market has been less than 5 years, I have experienced the market enough to feel that I want to share and help my fellow community member or a future customer or current customers understand the market today. My reason for wanting to do this podcast is exactly like Paul said. We really want you guys to help understand the insurance market, learn ways to save money, and understand the coverages that you're buying. Insurance is very confusing. So if I can give you some knowledge on what insurance is, well, here you go. So please enjoy our show. We are here to help. We want to make insurance fun. We want to talk about experiences, the markets today. We have plans to have some guest stars come on, talk about their perspective on insurance, and really just help us grasp of what's to come in the insurance market.
Some of the topics that we're going to discuss, just to give you some insights into the future podcast, is how does insurance price itself? Value of having an insurance agent instead of buying direct on the internet. Understanding endorsements. Confusion about different coverages. What's the difference between an independent agent and a captive agent? And what's the advantages and the differences between both? People who are reaching 65. What needs to happen? What do you need to do on your end before you ever come and see an insurance agent? Those are just some of the things. And when I looked at the list that we put together of topics that we have, what you just heard from me is probably, maybe 10, 20% of the total number of interesting things that we're going to present as podcasts in the future. So, Chelsea, is there anything else you want to add?
This is not your average podcast. We don't have fancy equipment. We don't have a team of people that are helping us video edit or making sure our applause is working properly in the background. This is 2 insurance agents in small town Iowa just trying to help bring education and awareness to the insurance market and how you can save money, and hopefully we are able to help you. We look forward to you listening soon.